Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilonggi khubor bamda kasngi. Umentri rangba ka jila Conrad ki sangma ne kasngi ba ar ula play pat ba ya ka maura multipurpose water reservoir dam pelang haba penna ba ka sorkar kan kynshew kumba saus pa klur tyngka banchna ya ki dam hakeleng ka jila ha kinigilais nemban wan. Ya kani ka dam pelang la pli ha ka jingyalang ka blalong ha maura ha ka jingyadan lang ka menteri ka kot ka kya akong emprin lingdo menteri ka tunat PHE Marcus M Marang MLA ka sokra ba Kevin Milim bat kiwe haba ai jingran menteri rang ba ula ba ka jingyada bat pene pensa ya kitelong bat ka jingshna ya ki dam pelang ka dei ka wei na ki matre kam bakong sanbha balabo da ka sorkar jela. Ngin sa kynshew pisa kumba saus pa klur tyngka ha kinikilais nembanshna ya ki dam pelang hakeleng ka jela ulaong. U Conrad u pentip ba kumba saula ni san pesen ka slap ka dei ka bane hapo ka jela. Bat ka batam kalatut Asia ka jela ba marjan, bat ka ri ba marjan bat kumta ka jingshna ya ki dam pelang ka dei tang kalenti banla pelang ya ka slap.
Come and there you go everybody. Congratulations to the Maura village and each and everyone whoever is present here today.
The water conservation and the entire protection and creating reservoirs is one of the more important things that this government is focusing on. We will be roughly investing close to 400 crores in the span of next 3 years, creating hundreds of reservoirs across the state. Just to give an idea to you, we are only able to keep about 4 to 5% of the water that we get because of the rains. And most of the water flows away into Bangladesh or to Assam. And hence the only way to stop the flow of the water or to preserve or conserve the water is to create dams like these. And hence this is one of the projects, a very successful one, and I thank and congratulate the Soil Conservation Department and all the officers who have been involved in making this a success. Big congratulations to you. The work has been done exceptionally well, and we can see from the completion also that it is also in a way an engineering kind of a nice engineering and architecture marvel also. So it's a great project, and once again I congratulate the team headed by our officials, the director and commissioner and secretary, and of course our honorable minister. Our purpose of having these reservoirs is also not just to conserve, but as was mentioned by Dr. Amperin Lingdo, we want to see that this can be used for multi-purpose activities, be it for farming, be it for creating different aquaculture, or be it for tourism. And hence, let me assure you that tourism is going to be a very important part. As you all know, for the first time from the main road up to Kongtong village, 25 kilometers of road, this may be the first time in the history of the state that the entire 25 kilometers will be black-topped. As you know that this particular stretch, which is not black-topped as of now, already a 15 crore PMGSY road is being sanctioned and work is going on, and I have spoken to the contractor. We expect the work to be completed by January 2025.
Bapinang yay one siya kanika jaka but yo mansiem habapi IT ya kanika project hakik sankti jong kajing penya jong piki nong song ki pade ki try muluk ki try jaka ki try jong kani ka jing ai barius pa kani ka may mariang nganget ba kat nang wan kis ngin saya wan biang bat ngin saya kmi biang ya kani ka jaka ngaap kmi limti bangan kiw ban lek no siya ka jaka ban yu iya ka.
Spanning across 27 hectares, the reservoir boasts of water spread over 7.70 hectares and a catchment area of 19.3 hectares. The main structure, an arch dam standing proud at 10.5 meters in height and 87 meters in length, holds key to the unlocking multitude of benefits for both the community and environment. One of the primary outcomes of this project is its ecological significance. The Maura Reservoir serves as a catalyst for enhancing groundwater recharge, ensuring sustainable availability of this precious resource for generations to come. The catchment area treatment with 9 perennial springs not only safeguards the water source but also contributes to improvement of the vegetative cover in the region, transforming barren marshy grassland into thriving ecosystem. Moreover, the Maura Multipurpose Water Reservoir is a conservation haven for the newly identified snakehead fish of the Khasi Hills, Aristonae channa.